Good morning. Today is Saturday, May the 13th, 2017. It's about 7:25 and don't know what the temperature is. Nice. Well, waiting on the rain. It's supposed to be here about any time. It's kind of dark back that way. We got our fingers crossed that it does rain. It's been forecast for days, so we've been counting on it. I'm going to drop Larry off at Hardee's and then go on to Walmart. I need to get some yeast rolls for tomorrow. Larry's taking care of the birds. It's nice to wake up in the morning and hear the morning doves cooing.
It's starting to rain. Feels like.
Surprise! My calla lily is blooming. On our way to town. There come the first raindrops. Yay, keep on raining. Larry going into Hardee's. And I'm off to Walmart. I'm here at Walmart. Go get my rolls and a few other things. Well, I spent my $60 at Walmart. Most expensive thing I got was leather conditioning. Here he comes. You want to drive or you want me to drive?
You're already there.
Okay.
Oh.
Larry made himself a pretty kale salad for lunch. I'm going to make mine in spinach. I have to get it together yet. But I got squash and french fries and sausage balls for the rest of the meal. I added some more marigold plants to the flower bed here this afternoon between rains. And I took out the ones that were wilted so bad and looked bad. Just replaced them. Just make it too hard for them to recover. So I got more marigolds in here. Next week maybe we can put some mulch around them. We got 2 bags of mulch left. These out here were small when I planted it, but they've grown nice. They've grown quite a bit while we were gone. We had a nice rain about 3:30. I was talking to Betty and it just rained real nice for a while. Larry heard sirens, so we're going to check it out.
The car must have went in the ditch.
Is that a police car or fire truck? Ambulance?
Oh. Let's see, they're down in the ditch. Somebody wasn't paying attention.
Is that a tow truck?
No, they're fire trucks. They're down, way down in the ditch. Car went off the road.
Hmm.
It wasn't raining or anything.
Hope nobody's hurt.
I do too. I guess we might as well go home.
I guess. Can't do anything here to help. Can you turn around here?
Yeah. We'll try. Looks like a truck down in the ditch, doesn't it?
I can't. Yeah, I think it looks like a truck in the ditch.
Yeah.
See the back end of it. The shoulder is real soft, Larry said, so if you hit it, you just suck you right down into the ditch. I baked frozen dinner rolls, yeast rolls, to have to take to the picnic tomorrow for Mother's Day. And there's the pretty flowers that Larry picked me today. Easter lilies and gladiola. Now I just have to make the cheesecake and I'll be done for tonight. It's not too pretty, but I got my cheesecake made. I'm going to just put the cherries on the side so people can put them on if they want them or leave them off. It's 8:10 and the sun's down. We still got some gray clouds. Maybe we'll get some more rain. We'll take all we can get. Good night. God bless.